Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the unit 4 we started our second point, that is the probabilistic model. Okay, so in previous video we already discussed what is mean by probabilistic model. So in this video we discuss about the conditional probability and bias theorem. Okay, and the formula for the conditional probability also. So let us discuss. Predict for the probability model, we have to predict some value. Okay, for the predictive model it can be easily be it can be easily understand as a statement of a conditional probability. So the conditional probability arises naturally in the investigation of experiments where an outcome of a trial may affect the outcome of the subsequent trials. So we try to calculate the probability of the uh, events, like अगर हमारे पास event है B and A events है given. Okay, so we try to calculate the probability of the second event, that is second event B, and given that the first event, that is event A. Okay, so it has already happened. So if the probability of the event changes when we take the first event into the consideration, so we can safely say that the probability of event B is depend on occurrences of event A. So अगर हमारे पास दो events है, event A is the probability of event we are trying to calculate, and event B is the condition that we know or the event that has happened. So we can write the conditional probability for P of probability of A divided by B. That means the probability of the occurrence of event A gives that B has already happened. So उसके लिए probability कैसी होगी, is equal to probability of A and B divided by probability of B, जो already happen है और हम B के लिए A के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, conditional probability सॉरी A के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द ऑकरेंस ऑफ बोथ A and B divided by probability of B. So see here, there is one example. Suppose we draw two cards and deck and you win. So if we get a jack uh, followed by an ace without replacement, so what is the probability of winning given know that you got a jack in the first turn or not? So यहाँ पे let event A और B दो consider किया है. A is what getting the jack in the first turn and event B is what getting the ace in the second turn. So we need to find out the probability of B A. Okay, so probability of B A is what? So यहाँ पे A और B के लिए किया है, यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, probability for B A के लिए करना है. Okay, so first we have to find out the probability of A is equal to getting a jack in the first turns, total 4 divided by 52 cards. Probability of B is what? Getting the ace in the second turn. So 4 divided by 51 with the no replacement. Okay. So total कैसी होगी, 4 divided by 52 into 4 divided by 51, so we get this value. So how to find out the conditional probability for B by A is equal to probability of A and B, that means 0.006, and probability of A, that means 4 divided by 52 क्या होगा, 0.077. So we get the value for this probability is 0.078. So आप लोगों ने ये मैथ्स में लर्न किया होगा conditional probability. Okay, second example है यहाँ पे probability of A is what? Getting a black marble in the first turn, and probability of B is what? Getting a black marble in the second turn. So here we have a jar containing the 6 marbles. Okay, 6 marbles है, उसमें से 3 black है and 3 white है. So what is the probability of getting the black given the first one was a black 2. Okay, probability of A is for getting the black marble in the first turn, and probability of B is for getting the black marble in the second turn. So probability of A क्या होगा, टोटल कितने हैं हमारे पास, 6. उसमें से 3 ब्लैक है एंड 3 व्हाइट है, सो ब्लैक मार्बल कलेक्ट करने हैं, सो 3/6 होगा। और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी क्या, गेटिंग द ब्लैक मार्बल इन द सेकेंड टर्म, ओके। सो यहाँ पे होगा 2/5। So what is the probability of getting the black given the first one was black 2? So probability of A and B क्या होगा, 1/2 into 2/5, okay, is equal to 1/5. So यहाँ पे B of A क्या होगा, probability of A and B, that यहाँ पे हमें मिला है 0.2 और probability of A is what 3/6, that means 0.5, 0.4. तो ये क्या है, सारे कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटीज है, ओके। सो सेम ये जो कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो बायस थ्योरम के अंदर अप्लाई किया है, इसको इसके अंदर यूज कर सकते हैं, ओके। सो बायस थ्योरम क्या है, डिस्क्राइब्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट based on the prior knowledge of the conditions that might be related to the event, okay. So if we know the conditional probability for this, so we can use the Bayes rule to find out the reverse probability also, okay. So यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या है, probability of A occurring given evidences B has already occurred. So अगर हमें ये find out करना है, so probability of B occurring given evidence A has already occurred into the probability of A occurring and divided by the probability of B occurring. So this is a Bayes theorem. So यहाँ पे okay, conditional probability के rules है यहाँ पे, then B by A के लिए क्या होगा, okay. So बस यहाँ पे formulas दिया है given. So automatically probability of B by A, probability of A by B into the probability of B into divided by probability of A. So automatically ये जो है formula वो होगा ये. So if multiple events A form an exhaustive set with another event B, so we can write the equation. अगर हमारे पास A of I है, तो यहाँ पे बस हम probability of A and B के लिए चेक करें, तो यहाँ पे multiple events है A के अंदर, तो हम उसको किस तरह से लिखेंगे, probability of B बार AI into the probability of AI, जैसे ये वाला फॉर्म है सेम। और समेशन जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी, सो हर एक के लिए वो चेक करना चाहिए प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए आई के लिए भी। सो समेशन ऑफ आई इक्वल टू 1 to n, एन नंबर ऑफ अगर हमारे पास इवेंट्स है, एन नंबर ऑफ अगर हमारे पास सेट है इवेंट्स ए के अंदर, सो कुछ इस तरह से होगा ये इक्वेशन, ओके। सो दिस इज अ कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड बायस थ्योरम, ओके। सो बायस थ्योरम, okay, so Bayes theorem is also known as a Bayes rule, Bayes law, or Bayesian reasoning, which determines the probability of an event with uncertain knowledge. So in probability theory, it relates the conditional probability and marginal probabilities of two random events. कोई भी random events हम consider करेंगे और उसकी probability find out करेंगे. So it is a way to calculate the value of probability B bar A, that is यहाँ पे दो events है A and B with the knowledge of probability A bar B, okay. So how we apply this Bayesian rule? Probability first is what cause and second is what effect, is equal to probability of effect cause, probability cause divided by probability effect, okay. So यहाँ पे देखो probability cause and its effect, then probability effect, its causes, probability of cause divided by probability of effect, okay. So probability of A bar B is known as a posterior, which we need to calculate, and it will be read as the probability of hypothesis A when we have occurred an evidence B, okay. Cause is what here A and effect is what B. A is a hypothesis when we have occurred an evidence B, that is effect B. B bar A is called as a likelihood, in which consider that the hypothesis is true, then calculate the probability of evidence. Probability of A is called as a prior probability. probability of hypothesis before considering the evidence. And probability of B is what? It's called as a marginal probability, pure probability of an evidence. Okay. सो बायस थ्योरम को हम कहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं? ये जो थ्योरम है उसको हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के अंदर यूज कर सकते हैं, वेदर फॉरकास्टिंग के अंदर उसको यूज कर सकते हैं, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो यूज टू कैलकुलेट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ रोबोट when the already executed step is given. अगर रोबोट है उसने ऑलरेडी एक स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट की है, प्रोग्राम अंडरस्टैंड किया है, उसको हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, बायस थ्योरम को यूज कर सकते हैं, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग के अंदर भी उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.